Hi everyone, I'm JB Dolosa from BSIT 502. In this video, I will be reviewing the application of Grab, and we're talking about an app that practically a lifesaver for many of us. Whether you need a ride, a meal, or even groceries delivered, Grab is here to help. Step 1. Download the app. Just head to the App Store or Google Play, search for Grab, and download the app. Once it's installed, sign up using your mobile number or email. Choose a services. Grab offers multiple services. Grab car, book a ride, Grab food, order meals from your favorite restaurants. Grab Pay, a digital wallet for cashless payments. Grab Mart and Grab Express for groceries and package deliveries. Step 3. Book or order. Let's say you need a ride, enter your pickup and destination, and Grab will connect you with a driver. Now it's advantages of Grab. Number 1. Convenience. All-in-one functionality. Whether it's rides, food, or errands, Grab simplifies your life. Number 2. User-friendly design. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Number 3. Wide coverage. Grab is available in many Southeast Asian cities, making it reliable during trips or vacations. Number 4. Rewards program. You earn Grab rewards points with every transaction, which you can redeem for discounts or special perks. Number 5. Safety perks. With features like trip sharing and emergency assistance, Grab prioritize your safety. And that's it for Grab. Thank you everyone for watching my app review.